and they're off. The lead is taken by Bukod Tangi. Dory moving up by the rail. It's Dory, and moving up on the outside is Tagapagmana. It's Tagapagmana followed by Dory, and on the outside is entry number 5, and that is Perbull. It is now Dory in the lead, followed by entry number 6, Tagapagmana, and entry number 5, Perbull. Moving up on the inside is Bukod Tangi. And at the flat turn, it is still Dory in the lead. It's Dory, Tagapagmana, Bukod Tangi, and Perbull. Moving up on the outside is Big Boy Bito. And at the last bend for home, it is still Dory in the lead. It's Dory, Tagapagmana, and Bukod Tangi, Big Boy Bito on the farther outside, Dream Lover and Bullstar Rising. And into the home stretch, it's Dory moving up by the rail, Bukod Tangi, Big Boy Bito on the farther outside, and Bullstar Rising. And nearing the payoff line, it's Bukod Tangi and Big Boy Bito. Finally, Bukod Tangi, Big Boy Bito, Bullstar Rising, Dory, Dream Lover, Tagapagmana,